Hello everyone, welcome to my CS50 project showcase. My name is Richie and this is my e-commerce auction site built as a part of the commerce project for the CS50 web programming course. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features and functionality of my project. This project is built with 5 key modules. Here is the homepage which displays all active listings. Only login users can create a listing. If a user who isn't logged in clicks the create listing button, they are redirected to the login page with a message asking them to log in. Let me demonstrate creating a listing with and without an image. For both cases, the new listings are added to the homepage and visible to everyone. Title, current price, and a short description. View item reveals more details including the owner's name, auction status, the starting bid, and current bid. Category. The platform also allows filtering by category. For example, I can select a category to filter listing by brands, which makes navigation easier for users. Placing bids. When placing a bid, the amount must be higher than the current bid to be successfully updated. Additionally, when a user places a valid bid, the item is automatically added to their watch list. Adding the item to the watch list. Closing auction. When the owner decides to close an auction, the status updates to close. A message appears announcing the winner of the auction. Users must log in to write or add comments to a listing. The comment section allows users to share their thoughts and interact with each other. The watch list helps users keep track of items. It also allows users to manually remove items with a single click, especially when the auction has ended or closed. Finally, let me show the Django admin interface. Only the site administrator has access to edit, delete, or add new listings and categories. For example, if I delete a listing through the admin panel, it will no longer appear in the active listing on the homepage. Similarly, I can delete comments or add new categories to organize listing better. This project is an e-commerce auction site with key features like creating listings, placing bids, managing watch lists, writing comments, filtering by category, and closing auctions. It also includes an admin panel for site management. I've enjoyed building this project as it strengthened my understanding of Django, Python, and full stack web development. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough.